Dropshipping is one of the most popular ways to make money today. But in this video, I will show you how you can use Shopify and make a lot of money, but without having to do dropshipping yourself. This method works all around the world, and this is 100% free. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so as the title of this video suggests, the site that we will be using today in order to make money online is this one here called Shopify.com. This is a platform I know most of you have heard about, and you know what it is and what it is about. But for those of you who perhaps have never heard about it, let me elaborate. Shopify is a dropshipping website, and what dropshipping basically is selling products that you don't have a physical contact with. So when someone places an order for a product in your store, what you will do then is pay your supplier for that product, and it's the supplier who will then deliver the product to your customer. So as you can see guys, there are some big benefits to doing dropshipping. You don't have to bother with actually shipping the products. The supplier will essentially do all of the work for you, and your job will be to get people to your store. You will essentially be a middleman between the customer and the product they want to purchase. With that bit of info out of the way, let's make something clear. This is not a dropshipping tutorial. I will not go ahead and explain to you how you can make money by dropshipping. Even though that is a very good way to make money online, it's quite risky. And if you don't really know what you're doing, you could end up just throwing away money for no benefit. And this is why I will show you in this video how you can make a lot of money using Shopify but without drop shipping a single product. The first thing you need to do on this website is scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page, and then under Shopify, click right here on Affiliate Program. Now this might sound surprising, but Shopify actually offers an amazing affiliate program that you can earn a lot of money. And I will show you several different ways with a huge bonus at the end. How you can get traffic to your affiliate link, and how easily to find people who will want to open a Shopify store. But first off, let me show you something I personally found crazy about Shopify's affiliate program: the commissions. Check out what it says on this page here. Affiliates earn 200% bounty for each successful merchant they refer to Shopify. This means that they earn 2 times the monthly plan price selected by the merchant that they referred to after the merchant has been active for 2 months. So basically, if you refer someone to Shopify and they proceed to use it for 2 months at least, you will earn 200% of what they paid Shopify to begin with, on top of the regular commissions you will receive. And as you can see on this pricing page here, that can be anywhere from $60 for the cheapest plan all the way up to $160 and the $600 for the Shopify and advanced Shopify plans respectively. So just think about that for a second. You can earn up to $600 per single customer you refer on top of the regular commissions you will receive. This is as good as it can get as far as affiliate programs are concerned. In my opinion, Shopify is one of the best, if not the best affiliate programs out there thanks to this feature. Because as I said prior, you can earn hundreds of dollars per single customer. And with the traffic sources I will show you, you will be able to easily find people who might go and use Shopify for a much longer period of time, and thus earn you as an affiliate tons of money. Before we get to the traffic sources though, you'll need to sign up to the affiliate program first. To do so, just click on Apply Now button on this page right here. On the next page, just enter in your email address in here, your full name in these 2 boxes, your password here, which you will then have to retype just below. And finally, click on Create Account to finish the process. Once you log in, this is how everything will look. You will now need to fill out all of these information, and this might take you like 5 minutes or so. You will then wait until you get approved in the affiliate program. Now bear in mind that this can take from as little as a couple of hours to a couple of days, so don't get discouraged if you don't get accepted right away. Once you do get accepted though, you will now need to get traffic to your affiliate link so that you can actually make some money online. And I have 2 methods for you. The first one involves YouTube, and what you will want to do is create a video titled "How to Make a Dropshipping Website" or something along the lines of. Now I know you guys will be wondering, how will you get views if you don't have subscribers? Well, that's the thing. You don't need subscribers to get the views because a lot of people are watching these Shopify related videos, and the majority of people you see here don't have many subscribers to begin with. With that being said, what you will do in your video is essentially go over how to sign up on Shopify and create your store. And by doing that, you don't need a camera, so you won't have to show your face whatsoever. You can just record your screen, and you will then leave your affiliate link to Shopify in the description. And because of the fact that you can earn so much money per customer, you don't need hundreds of thousands of views or thousands of signups for you to make a lot of money. And this is why creating a video on YouTube isn't actually such a bad idea, even though I generally don't recommend getting traffic in this fashion. This is most definitely an exception, and arguably the biggest benefit is that you won't have to worry about the traffic once your video is live. You can basically just enjoy all the passively made money from there without having to do anything. Now, the second method with which you can get traffic involves this tool right here, the link of which I left in the description down below. This tool is for those of you who both want to make even more money but also don't want to bother having to create any kind of videos. This will, as you can see, get you permanent traffic to any affiliate link, so not just your Shopify link. In 22 seconds, it will earn you hundreds of dollars in the process. There's no complicated setup, no experience or skill required, and you don't have to wait around for any results. Furthermore, you can see here that 26 newbies gave this a try and made over $14,000 in a single week. And this proves that any one of you watching this can get paid big money through this software. Lastly, you can see here that it offers a year-long money-back guarantee, and they will actually pay you $300 if this doesn't work out for you. So even though this is a paid software, it can make you a lot more money with far less work involved compared to other traffic sources you might have come across. And to negate the risk they offer, they have a money-back guarantee, meaning that you cannot lose anything if you just give this tool a try. And that's it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.